Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. Exercise number 2. Virtual prototyping of falling off ball in RAM. First, pick new assembly, then select insert component and browse for the component named descending chain. Now, fix this component and select insert component and insert the component 4 ball. Now, position the ball above the descending chain or RAM. Give the position in all the planes that is required as per the manual. Now, in SolidWorks add-in, select SolidWorks Motion, then give OK. Now, under Motion Study, select Motion Analysis. Now, select Contact option and select the components to be in contact. Specify the material of the ramp as steel and the material of the ball as rubber. Now, select gravity and give the plane in which the ball to be fall off. Now, after specifying required key points, specify calculate. Now, after the calculation of the specified key point is completed, select play. Thus, the virtual prototyping of the ball following the ramp under the gravity is done.